What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Now today we're going to be playing a little bit of Besiege. Now Besiege is a game that is in very early alpha mode, alpha or beta, it's probably alpha, but it's incredibly early. As you can see in the top there it says version 0.04, so it's no way near to version 1. And you basically have to create a machine out of rudimentary tools to complete the challenges. So my challenge here, it says here, destroy. I bet that hasn't worked. Let's see if... There we go. Okay, so that actually works better than I thought it would do. And that wasn't supposed to happen. The next zone is this. So I have to destroy this, but it's on a hill. So we can have a quick look to see if this can destroy it the same way. Because it might be a decent height. It is a decent height. So Old Howl Battlefield. This one, the rest sort of you were to... learn how to use it, but this one's sort of like to teach you how to steer, but I've already got that kind of down. Oh, I crushed a sheep. These things I'm avoiding here are going to explode if I go into them, but I'm not going to do that. So here is a hard one, because I'll show you what happens if I use this. The arrowers, the archers, attack my car. So, I've done that, which is fine, but now if I come over here, I'm not going to be able to do anything, because I then have to destroy this windmill, and I can't. Right, that's fine. There we go. Let's try this. So they can attack me all they want, shouldn't do too much damage. I'll drive up towards them. We'll get nice and close. There's a bomb there, so press Y. That sets everyone on fire. Oh, that didn't set the other guy there on fire. Oh, I actually forgot there was a bomb there. Probably didn't need to do that. Oh, I set fire to my, Okay, no, he's going to set fire to me. Damn it. Should be quicker next time. Right, let's be a lot quicker this time. There we go. Don't fall over. Oh, look, I'm doing an endo. And good-doosh! Yeah! Look at that! I'm astonishing at this. Right, this is going to be difficult. This isn't going to win, because it's too... Actually, unless I can run people over. Oh, wow. This might work. Yeah, see, look, the flamethrowers would be useful, but they're all way too... Wow, that's actually doing a lot better than I thought it would. What set fire? I'm actually going to do that. Wow! Okay then, I'm going to take it. Didn't look like I won. Hey, I haven't even finished yet. There we go. Now I win. Next zone. Didn't think I'd be able to do that. Oh, my back is killing me. Wow. Right, old mining site. So basically, for this one, I'm going to save this because this is an amazing little contraption. I'm going to go with, really cliche name, oh, Dominator. Let's do this. See if this makes any difference. I bet it won't. Let's give it Land Rover style underplating. I'm recording, okay? Wait, is that not our cat? That looks like Sabi. Wait, no, let me see Sabi. Sabi Jr. So the cat just came in. This isn't our cat. It looks just like our cat. What a palaver. Right, okay, it needs to be out a bit more. So V to drop the object. Bit overkill, but it's fine. I need to do something about this steering. Oh, steering the wrong way. Because the steering doesn't work. There we go. So it's a good job it's braced, because look how heavy that is. I'm going to brake the other side, because I'm not paying attention to it. Like, I bet that's really close to getting... Yeah, this is it. And it's also just... Four-wheel drive is making it impossible to get any traction. Because there's too much torque. But anyway, done that. Right, next zone. I haven't got this far yet. What's that, an iPod? Oh, I'm getting electrocuted. Oh, dear Lord. Ah, okay. Didn't see that coming. And then you press O or something. Yeah. Which gets you... Okay. I want to be able to fly. Fly like a bird. Okay, I just hit the brakes and broke it. Now if we do this... Fly. I'm not very good at this. Oh, damn. So let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. And we'll put... Oh, I don't know. Really doesn't change anything. If I just hit the brakes... Right, so it turns out I can't do anything, so thank you guys for watching. I apologise for that, but thanks for watching. Have an incredibly awesome day. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button below, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time. I'm also ending it because I've run out of time on my camera, which is a real shame. But have a great day. I love you.